7 free AI tools anyone in Africa can use today with just a smartphone. Imagine if your smartphone could write your emails, design your posters, help you study faster, and even help you start making money online. Now imagine doing all of that without paying for expensive software or buying a powerful computer. The truth is, there are powerful AI tools you can use right now, completely free, using nothing more than the smartphone already in your pocket. In the next few minutes, you are going to discover 7 free AI tools that anyone in Africa can start using today. These tools can help you write faster, create images, learn new skills, save hours of work, and even open doors to new ways of earning money online. The best part is that every tool I will show you works directly from a phone browser or a simple mobile app, so you do not need technical skills or special equipment to get started. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which AI tools to use for writing, researching, designing graphics, learning faster, and creating content. More importantly, you will understand how everyday people are already using these tools to save time and improve their work and studies. Artificial intelligence might sound like a complicated concept, but in simple terms, AI is just computer software that can think through problems and generate answers in a way that feels almost human. Instead of spending hours doing something manually, AI can often help you do it in seconds. And right now, some of the most useful AI tools in the world are available for free. Let's start with one of the most powerful AI tools anyone can use today. The first tool is ChatGPT. This tool is basically like having a smart assistant that can answer questions, help you write messages, generate ideas, explain complicated topics, and even help you plan projects. Think of it as a conversation with a very knowledgeable friend who can help you think through almost anything. For example, imagine you run a small shop and want to write a message to promote your products on WhatsApp or Facebook. Instead of spending 20 minutes trying to find the right words, you could simply ask ChatGPT to write a short promotional message. Within seconds, it will generate a clear and professional text that you can copy and paste directly to your customers. Students can use it to explain difficult school topics. If a concept in biology or economics feels confusing, you can ask ChatGPT to explain it in simple language. It will break it down step by step, making it easier to understand. People looking for jobs can also use it to write CVs, cover letters, or prepare answers for job interviews. Instead of staring at a blank page, the AI helps you structure your thoughts. What makes this tool especially powerful is that it works perfectly on a smartphone. You simply open your browser or use the mobile app and start typing your questions. Many people across Africa are already using tools like this to save time and improve their productivity at work and school. And this is just the beginning. If you are finding this useful, make sure you subscribe to Kirango AI. We post new AI content every 2 days. Now let's move to the second tool, which is perfect for research and learning. The second tool is Perplexity AI. If ChatGPT is like a smart assistant, Perplexity is like a supercharged search engine. Instead of showing you a long list of links like a traditional search engine, it gives you direct answers and explains them clearly. Imagine you want to learn about starting a small business, improving your farming methods, or understanding cryptocurrency. Normally, you would open multiple websites and try to piece together the information yourself. With Perplexity, you simply ask the question and it summarizes the most important information instantly. It also shows the sources it used, so you can check where the information came from. Students find this tool extremely helpful because it saves hours of research time. Instead of scrolling through dozens of pages online, the AI gathers the key ideas for you. For example, if you are preparing for an exam and want to understand a topic quickly, you can ask Perplexity to summarize the concept in simple terms. Entrepreneurs can also use it to research markets. Imagine someone in Dar es Salaam thinking about starting a small poultry business. They could ask questions about costs, feeding methods, or common mistakes farmers make, and the AI would generate a useful overview within seconds. The biggest advantage here is speed. Information that might normally take an hour to collect can now appear in a few moments. That means more time spent taking action instead of searching endlessly for answers. Now let's talk about a tool that focuses on creativity. The third tool is Canva AI. Many people believe that designing posters, flyers, or social media graphics requires professional skills. In the past, you needed complicated software and design experience. Today, Canva's AI features allow anyone to create beautiful designs directly from a smartphone. Let's say you run a small restaurant, a clothing shop, or a phone accessories store. You want to post a promotion online but do not know how to design a poster. With Canva AI, you can type a simple description like, "Create a bright promotional poster for a weekend food discount," and the tool will generate a design idea for you. You can then edit colors, text, and images with just a few taps. Students can use it to design school presentations. Small businesses can create advertising materials. Content creators can make thumbnails and social media posts. Even someone with zero design experience can produce something that looks professional. This is important because good visuals attract attention. Whether you are selling a product, sharing information, or promoting an event, a well-designed graphic can make people stop scrolling and pay attention. Tools like this are giving individuals the ability to compete with larger businesses that once had bigger marketing budgets. If you are finding this useful, make sure you subscribe to Kirango AI. We post new AI content every 2 days. Now let's move to a tool that focuses on writing and improving text. The fourth tool is Grammarly. Many people feel nervous about writing emails, reports, or social media posts because they worry about grammar mistakes. Grammarly acts like a writing assistant that checks your text and suggests improvements. When you type something, the AI reviews it instantly. It highlights spelling mistakes, grammar problems, and awkward sentences, then recommends clearer alternatives. Students use it when writing essays. Professionals use it when sending important emails. Entrepreneurs use it when communicating with clients. Imagine writing a message to a potential customer or employer. You want the message to sound clear and professional. Grammarly helps ensure that your writing communicates the right tone. Another powerful feature is that it can suggest ways to make sentences shorter and easier to understand. This is especially helpful for people writing in English as a second language. With just a smartphone keyboard extension or browser access, the tool works quietly in the background helping you write better. Over time, people who use tools like this actually improve their writing skills because they learn from the suggestions. Now let's explore a tool that helps turn written ideas into spoken audio. The fifth tool is 11 Labs. This tool uses AI to convert text into realistic human voice audio. In simple terms, you type words and the system reads them aloud using a natural-sounding voice. This technology is powerful for several reasons. For example, someone creating educational content can turn written lessons into voice recordings. A content creator can convert scripts into narration for videos. A student can listen to notes while commuting instead of reading them. Imagine writing an article or message and then turning it into audio that people can listen to like a podcast. This saves time and opens new ways to share information. Many YouTube creators, especially those running faceless channels, use tools like this to generate voice narration. But the real opportunity is accessibility. People who prefer listening over reading can now consume information more easily. And since the tool works online, you can create voice recordings directly from your phone. Now let's talk about a final tool that focuses on productivity and organization. The sixth tool is Notion AI. Notion is a workspace where you can organize notes, tasks, plans, and projects. The AI feature inside it helps you think faster and structure ideas. Imagine you are planning a business idea. Instead of staring at a blank page, you can ask the AI to help create a business plan outline. Students can use it to organize study notes. Entrepreneurs can track goals and strategies. Content creators can plan videos and scripts. The AI can summarize long notes, generate ideas, or help you turn rough thoughts into structured plans. This means your phone becomes not just a communication device but a productivity system. If you are finding this useful, make sure you subscribe to Kirango AI. We post new AI content every 2 days. By now you have seen how powerful these tools can be, especially considering they are free and accessible from a smartphone. Let's quickly recap the key ideas from this video. First, tools like ChatGPT can act like a personal assistant helping you write, brainstorm, and solve problems faster. Second, research tools like Perplexity make learning and information gathering dramatically faster by summarizing answers instantly. Third, design tools like Canva AI allow anyone to create professional graphics without needing expensive software or design experience. Fourth, writing assistants like Grammarly help improve communication by correcting grammar and making messages clearer. Fifth, voice generation tools like 11 Labs transform written text into realistic audio, opening new opportunities for content creation and learning. And sixth, productivity platforms like Notion AI help organize ideas, tasks, and projects so you can work more efficiently. All of these tools share one important advantage: they work directly from a smartphone, meaning millions of people across Africa can access the power of AI without expensive computers. The world is changing quickly, and people who learn to use these tools early will have a huge advantage in school, business, and work. For more AI news and tools explained simply, subscribe to Kirango AI. I will see you in the next one.